Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add Tulu fonts to CapCut PC. Download your font. I'll put the Google Drive link in the description box down below. I'm just going to download the font first. You can use any site you want to get fonts, I guess. Oh my gosh. Let me just extract the files here. Okay, extract. Okay, so here are the fonts that I got. I'll just do one. I'll do the K one here. This is the font, install. You're going to close CapCut first actually, so do that. Then you're going to reopen up CapCut. And it should be there once you have reopened CapCut. I'm just going to wait for it to load. Confirm. Okay, so go to text. If this will just load, add in default text here. I don't speak Telugu, so I don't know if it's going to be correct. So you guys would just have to look for yourself. And then search here. Oh my gosh, I forgot the font name. Hold up. Kusuma. Okay. And then it's here. And you're just going to type in your text. I can't because I don't know the language, but you're just going to type that in. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If it doesn't work, you can try out some other fonts that is there. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.